Welcome to Mechanical Engineering family. Today I am going to show you the working principle of laser beam machining process. It is a non-conventional machining process like EDM ECM. It based on laser. Here machining is done by the heat come from laser. This is laser beam machining setup, simply LBM. It mainly consists of two flash lamp, a ruby crystal, and these are the two mirrors. This is fully reflecting mirror and this is partial reflecting mirror. This is power supply provided to the two flash lamp. This is cooling system. Here coolants flow. All the equipments are placed inside an enclosure. This is enclosure. Here is a lens and this is workpiece. Now how it works. As power supply provided to the flash lamp, it emits optical energy which is sent to the ruby crystal, and a doping of chromium oxide is provided to the ruby crystal, and the optical energies come from flash tube excites the impurities atom of ruby crystal. What's happened? Impurities atoms get excited and liberate energy in visible light form. Here is a fully reflecting mirror which does not allow the energies to get out. Rather, it helps in exciting the atom. And as here is the partial reflecting mirror, it allows the light to get out with proper frequency. These are the monochromatic rays of light coming out from the laser tube through the partial reflecting mirror, and they are converged through this lens to a point. And when the highly converged laser beam falls on a workpiece material, the workpiece melted and vaporized instantaneously. Thus, this machining is done. And in this process, from electric energy, we get light energy. And from it we get heat energy. And for this heat energy, the melting and vaporization of workpiece is done. For this is also known as thermal cutting process. So, this is the working principle of laser beam machining process. If you like this video, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you for watching this video.